Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to Array of Hope. Today, joining my friend Dimple from IHM Jaipur, where we studied together, and now she's professional and she's working in hotels. And we are with her today, and she will be sharing why it is important to develop a new hobby. So, welcome, Dimple.
Hi, welcome.
So, tell us something about you. What you do, Dimple.
My name is Dimple Utwani, and I was born and brought up in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Done my graduation from Institute of Hotel Management, Jaipur. Started my professional career with Taj Palace, New Delhi. And due to some personal reason, I had to left my first job. And that's it.
Oh, that sounds good. You have done good. Good. Taj is really nice, I think, to start with.
It's very nice.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
what you want to share with us today? What special do you have today?
So basically, as you mentioned, our topic is why is it important to develop a new skill? So I'm gonna tell you why actually it is important, because I was also not very good with my skills, and this quarantine actually gave me chance to find something new. So first of all, learning new things and developing new hobbies on a daily basis is something very different and something you're gonna cherish your whole life, because then every day will sound you like a new day you are living, and that is gonna be not a same schedule or a repeated schedule. Like when I was doing my job, it was the same schedule, a repeated schedule. I was doing job, it was like wake up, go to work, come back, Netflix, sleep. I mean, sometimes literally I started thinking about my life, that how can a person be so boring? Nothing new to do, nothing new to learn, even though we have time to learn everything. But just to, console ourselves, we give excuses that no, we are working, we are hoteliers, we can't do this, we have to give 12 to 14 hours to our job. But this is like, I think, bullshit reasons which we used to give. If we actually want to learn, we have time for everything and we can learn anything we want. So that's what my point was, and that's how I find this topic, that why is it actually important to learn something new on a daily basis. And I actually started doing something new with my life, and then I started thinking that I have to share these things with other people as well, and I contacted you for the same.
Oh, lovely. I think you mentioned it very well that it is very important to share, because
Yes.
when you share, people give you views and ideas to develop it more, right?
Exactly, and then I got to learn, like, I will also got to learn new things from people. That what I can learn new, I can actually add that in my hobby.
Exactly. So, my next question to you is, what skills or hobby you have developed in these days, and what keeps you motivating to learn new things?
So now I don't have just one or two or three hobby. I have many hobbies, countless hobbies now, because now daily I change my routine. I'm learning new and new things, as I mentioned. So I started playing throw ball again. I started searching for part-time jobs, cooking, baking, watching talk shows over the internet, authoring, anchoring, dancing, anything I felt like I can't do, I have started doing that. So that's what keeping me motivated, that I can do anything now. Because I told you in my introduction that I left my job and I was just jobless. I was at my place, I was having nothing new to do. So I started doing free certified courses as well, which gave me a chance to find a job, as I have done one Google verified certificate in digital marketing. So, which helps me to boost my CV. And when I posted that digital marketing certificate in LinkedIn, it helped me to find jobs. I actually getting offers for the job, and I joined Flipkart, a big MNC, as my first corporate job. So that, that was just a hobby for me, but that actually gave me a chance to earn as well. So, how bad it is? Like, it's a very good option for me to start my career in a corporate life, and that too with a company like Flipkart. So, this was something which actually motivates me in my personal life as well.
Oh man, that was a great one. Like I was not aware that you got a job just by posting it on LinkedIn. So
Yeah, from that's where they contacted me. We found that you have learned marketing and would you be interested in Flipkart? I was like, oh, why not? If that is from work, that is like work from home. I was like, okay, I'll give it a shot.
wow. So I mean, LinkedIn is really nice, and people who are not on LinkedIn, they should definitely get into it and share their experience, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, Dimple, my next question to you is how one should learn a new habit or a skill, and how they should apply it in their life to be productive.
See, being productive is something very good because if you are wasting your time, you're gonna regret that for your whole life. Because many of my friends even are also there who are regretting now. We got 2 months and we just wasted doing nothing, watching series, and they were like, we actually have done nothing in our life now. So I was like, when I was so sure about recession, a big recession in hospitality. Whereas I decided if now I done nothing, I'm not gonna find any new job for me. But now if I compare myself, I am like I have a job, work from home. I am also doing part-time job, and even from the platform of digital marketing, I am helping my father to build an online platform for his business because born and brought up in a Sindhi family is like having a boss mind from childhood, and I actually utilize it now. So it keeps me motivated also, and people should try new things because no, you don't know when your time changes. So just try new things. Until and unless you will not learn new things, you're not gonna do anything.
I totally respect your views on this, that you need to try new things to actually know yourself, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, I totally agree with you on this point. And what message you want to give to our listeners who are listening you for the first time?
So the only message I wanna convey is because of our own comfort zone, we lie to ourselves and not ready to develop new skills. Though deep inside, we all know how important it is, and later on, we all regret on the same things because we don't want to get out from our comfort zone. But the truth is, life begins at the edge of our comfort zone. We all are scared of uncertainty. Giving up all we have to pursue our dream that may or may not work out. But trust me, it leads to more possibilities and happiness in life because things are never as scary as they look, and you are stronger and more capable than you thought. So, this is something I actually want to share with you because this was which I applied on my life, and I think this is the only solution for all the problems in your life.
Oh, that was a lovely message, Dimple. And I'm really happy that you are with us today and you shared such a nice views on skill development. I hope our listeners will apply this on their life and have a wonderful life.
Thank you so much, Umang. I feel so lucky to be a part of it, and I am gonna love this session. I don't know why, because that's my first podcast. Maybe that's why.
No, absolutely, you did great. And I hope my listeners will give us reviews and share their comments so that we can improve on it and do it much better.
Yes, sir.
So, thank you so much, Dimple. Bye bye.
You're welcome, sir. Bye bye.